In the last video, many of you have asked me that how we can keep ourselves updated about the AI updates, all the features getting added, how we can keep up with that without wasting our time watching the video on YouTube. So in this video, I'll give you one short trick and it will take only 5 minutes of your time in the entire 24 hours to get all the update which is happening in the AI field. So right now you will find the biggest player we have in the moment in the AI segment is OpenAI and Anthropic. These are the two biggest players we have, and the rest of the product which is getting launched right now, they are a kind of a wrapper. What they are doing, they're using this LLM model and they're building a product on that particular one, whether it could be for a code assistant, whether it could be extension, whether it could be a financial structure model, whether it could be a integration with the pipeline model in your development environment, or it could be a video editor. But this is the two company we have at the moment which has the most advanced model and most of the feature they are launching. Basically, these companies are destroying all the wrappers which is getting released every single week. We heard about the OpenClue that it's got launched, it got so hype, it's got acquired by the OpenAI. But right now, Anthropic launched their cloud computer. You can literally connect with your phone and you can give the tasks and it's going to perform all the tasks right in your system. And it will be the securest model. So Claude is the one AI model which you have to understand. It's really powerful. Again, I'm not telling you to just focus entirely on the Claude. Try to understand that what are the features coming. So all you have to do is to read the documentation. Whenever they launch any feature, they make a 1-minute video. If you watch that 1-minute video, you will understand about the feature. You can move on and work on your actual skills which you are learning. So you can simply type Anthropic and you will find the very first link. So if you come back here, you will find the Anthropic. Click on this home and there you will find all the documentation. So this particular documentation is a really gold mine for you. If you give your 5 minutes time every single day, you would learn every single thing about the AI infrastructure, all the models, all the features they are including into their architecture. So you can come back here and you will find that what are the features they have launched. They have the Claude Opus 4.6. This one is the advanced model we have. If you want, you can come back here. You can go back to the research paper. You can see all the links. You can go back to the economy feature, community. If you go back to the learn, there you will find all of that. You can come back to the tutorial section. So whenever they launch any product, that's all you will find. So here you will find the complete details that how you have to utilize the Claude code or any feature they are launching, how you can integrate with your workflow. So this is the only resource you need. Let me make on the big screen. They have the different category for the AI fluency. We have the education one, engineer, finance, healthcare, HR, life cycles, marketing, non-profit, professional sales. That's all you will find. So literally you don't need to waste any time just watching the video with that particular thumbnail that this is the next big thing. So that's all you will find. You can simply come back here, go to the category. If you want to focus on education, because that's what I will suggest, you can come back here. You can click on this and you can read about the models. They will find this is the complete paper. Just give it. It won't take you more than like 15 minutes. And that will give you in-depth learning about the architecture. You can see all of these things you can able to understand. They have given this question which you can able to compare. That's all you can practice. So this is your ultimate resource. This is the Anthropic. You can also go to the OpenAI and you can check their OpenAI as well. You can type OpenAI doc, hit enter, and you will come back here, go back to the API documentation, and you will find all of these details. You can come back to the OpenAI platform. There you will find all the details. You can simply log in. I'm not logged in, so I can come back here, go back to the dashboard or documentation. There you will find all of that. So they have the brief documentation. This is what you can do. You can check the model, check the feature, and that's what you can implement. If I want to use the Claude, I can simply come back here and there you will find all the feature. So you have to explore it. Give 5 minutes time every single day. Come back to the right, go back here, check the lifestyle, check by the code choice, Claude choice. That's all you can do. You will find all the details that what users are asking. You can come back here in the code section and there you will read about it. So they have all the resources that how you can use in your workflow in your VS Code. So it's very straightforward. It's not going to take you 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and in that way you can keep yourself updated. You can also follow the Claude, OpenAI, or the founders, big founders we have on Twitter. They can take their feedbacks and try to understand. Don't waste your time watching videos on YouTube with this creator. They are just there to just take your attention. That's the only thing they want to do. It's not going to give you any benefit. If you want to keep yourself updated, this is how you can do it. They have all the resources. Before they make anything public, they make a video or they make a short articles. You can read it and you will understand every single thing. So that's the thing you have to keep in mind. This is how you can keep yourself updated.